Hey, welcome everyone. Today we are going to discuss structure and functions of eukaryotic cells. Before we start, kindly subscribe our channel. Let's get started. A cell is defined as the smallest, basic unit of life that is responsible for all of life's processes. Cells are the structural, functional, and biological units of all living beings. They are the building blocks of life. The study of cells from its basic structure to the functions of every cell organelle is called cell biology. Robert Hooke was the first biologist who discovered cells. The cell structure comprises individual components with specific functions essential to carry out life's processes. These components include cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, and cell organelles. Let's discuss cell wall. Firstly, the cell wall is the most prominent part of the plant's cell structure. It is made up of cellulose, hemicellulose and pectin. The cell wall is present exclusively in plant cells. It protects the plasma membrane and other cellular components. The cell wall is also the outermost layer of plant cells. It is a rigid and stiff structure surrounding the cell membrane. It provides shape and support to the cells and protects them from mechanical shocks and injuries. Now we discuss cell membrane. The cell membrane is the outer covering of animal cell and inner to cell wall in plant cells. It is also referred to as the plasma membrane. By structure, it is a porous membrane with pores which permits the movement of selective substances in and out of the cell. The cell membrane supports and protects the cell. It controls the movement of substances in and out of the cells. It separates the cell from the external environment. The cell membrane is present in all the cells. It gives shape to cells. Besides this, the cell membrane also protects the cellular component from damage and leakage. Third one is cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is a thick, clear, jelly-like substance present inside the cell membrane. Most of the chemical reactions within a cell take place in this cytoplasm. The cell organelles such as endoplasmic reticulum, vacuoles, mitochondria, ribosomes, are suspended in this cytoplasm. Fourth one is nucleus. The nucleus contains the hereditary material of the cell, the DNA. It sends signals to the cells to grow, mature, divide and die. The nucleus is surrounded by the nuclear envelope that separates the DNA from the rest of the cell. The nucleus protects the DNA and is an integral component of a plant's cell structure. Now discuss cell organelles. Cells are composed of various cell organelles that perform certain specific functions to carry out life's processes. The different cell organelles, along with its principal functions, are as follows. First organelle is nucleolus. The nucleolus is the site of ribosome synthesis. Also, it is involved in controlling cellular activities and cellular reproduction. Second organelle is chromosomes. Chromosomes play a crucial role in determining the sex of an individual. Each human cells contain 23 pairs of chromosomes. Next one is endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is involved in the transportation of substances throughout the cell. It plays a primary role in the metabolism of carbohydrates, synthesis of lipids, steroids and proteins. Next is Golgi bodies. Golgi bodies are called the cell's post office as it is involved in the transportation of materials within the cell. Next is ribosome. Ribosomes are the protein synthesizers of the cell. Another one is mitochondria. The mitochondrion is called the powerhouse of the cell. It is called so because it produces ATP, the cell's energy currency. Next is lysosomes. Lysosomes protect the cell by engulfing the foreign bodies entering the cell and help in cell renewal. Therefore, they are known as the cell's suicide bags. Another organelle is chloroplast. Chloroplasts are the primary organelles for photosynthesis. It contains the pigment called chlorophyll. Last organelle is vacuoles. Vacuoles store food, water, and other waste materials in the cell. Now we discuss the functions of the cells. The essential functions of the cell include: the cell provides support and structure to the body. It facilitates growth by mitosis. It helps in reproduction, provides energy and allows the transport of substances. Thanks for watching. Like the video if it seems informative to you and subscribe our channel.